We have unpacked the box and got the machine. Step 1. Move the glass onto the printing bed. Now the glass is already on the printing bed. Step 2. Use the 4mm Allen key to tighten the screws on the bottom left corner. Tighten the screws on the bottom right corner as well. Step 3. Loosen the 4 screws on the back of the machine. These screws are for hanging the filament dryer. Make sure that the gap between the machine back and the screw nut is around 3 mm. Step 4. Hang the filament dryer onto the 4 screws. Make sure that the bottom of filament dryer and the bottom of machine are leveled after the hanging. Step 5. Insert the Wi-Fi driver into a USB port on the back of the machine. Step 6. Make the LED indicator light vertical. Step 7. Connect 3 cables in total. Link the female DIN connector to the male port and tighten it. Link the thinner power cable from the filament dryer to the machine. Link the thicker power cable from the machine to the power supply. Finally, we have completed the machine assembling.